How's it going? How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the channel before and after the mix. This video is going to be about merch love. Give me 1 second. I received 2 packages today, and I really hope they're from the Gameplay Couch because I really love his merch. So yeah, so if you have a merch line, I will purchase merch from you, right? All love and support, especially if I like the merch, I'm feeling the merch, you're gonna end up seeing it here on the channel. You know what I mean? It's another way that I show love and support. And yeah, and you know what, on another note, I am sorry I look like a lumberjack, cause I know how important camera presence is, and your boy is looking rough and rugged. I apologize for that. Due to what's going on outside, I am not going to see my barber. I mean, think about it. He sees how many people a day? That's if he's even open. Matter of fact, I didn't even text him to see if he's open. But I don't even want to know if he's open, because if he's open, I really want to go, right? So therefore, I'm not even texting him. I'm not calling him because, I don't want to step foot in that establishment right now. But if you can do it yourself, you shave, whatever, more power to you. That's even better. That is great. I can't do it myself because I don't have steady hands. My hand will just go all over the place, and I'll end up looking like a fool. So therefore, I apologize for looking rough and rugged. And on another note, let's get back to the story at hand. Merch love. And again, I really hope this is the Gameplay Couch. Shout out to you, Gameplay Couch. Really hope this is yours, buddy. I really hope. On another note, let's get to it. All right, runner up. I'm gonna open this bad boy real quick. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. See that logo? You see that logo? The Gameplay Couch, baby. I like this logo right here, yo. My guy, he knows what the hell he's doing. He has a plan for his channel. I ain't gonna say much than that, but my boy got a plan for his channel. I see the potential. If you don't, you crazy. You crazy. That's the first merch shirt right here from the Gameplay Couch. We're gonna open the second one. That's my favorite right here. That's my favorite right here, baby. That's my favorite right here. This is what I've been waiting for, man. This is what I've been waiting for, man. Peep the design, man. Black and yellow and a little white at the bottom. The color scheme. You got that's the remote. Huh? That's the remote. Look at that. Look at that. If you're a gamer, even if you're not a gamer, you got to appreciate this. You got to appreciate this. I'm gonna put this on right now. I'll be right back because I got to show this merch some more love. Again, shout out to you, Gameplay. Hey, the Gameplay Couch. This merch is fire, my guy. This merch is fire, my guy. It fits perfectly, no issues. I mean, look at it, bruh. Look at it, bruh. This one shirt it don't matter if I'm looking rugged, right? You're not gonna pay attention to my face. You're gonna see the shirt. You're gonna peep the fly. You feel me? It don't matter how I look up here. You're gonna peep the shirt. You're gonna peep the merch, baby. You're gonna peep. It fits. It feel good. Love the material, the design. On point, my dude. Like, come on. Of course, I'm gonna try the other one. Of course. Yo, shout out to you, Gameplay Couch. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna rock this as well. But this is my favorite right here, B. Much love to you. I'm about to try on the other one right now. Right now. All right, people. What you think? What you think? You see the logo. You see the logo. Of course, when I go live, when I stream, whatever, I'm gonna rock these as well. I'm gonna rock these as well. But yo, bro. Yo. It goes, man. It goes, man. Definitely. I appreciate the merch. It's on point. I'm gonna get my lady some stuff as well. Oh yeah, before I forget, he has things for females as well. So it's not just, shirts. He has like items for females, cups, whatever. Go check out the merch. I'm gonna put the link down below. go check the merch. Go check it out, man. Go check it out, cause I'm happy. I'm happy with my selection. I'm happy with my selection, and I did get some stuff for my lady as well. They're not here yet, but when they get here, I'm gonna see if she'll be willing to do a little, demonstration. But bro, I love this shirt right here. Yo, the merch is fire, my dude. And I'm glad I took the time to do this. So definitely appreciate the merch. Yo, you are on to something, my dude. You are on to something, and you got skills, you got potential. And I wish nothing but the best for your channel. Much love, brother. Merch love, baby. Merch love. Merch love.